Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you how I am practicing reading English to make better my communication skill. Okay, so first of all, I am showing guys, I am reading this book. I am reading this book, How to Develop Self-Confidence and Influence People by Public Speaking. And currently I am reading the page number 18. Okay, and except from that I have three pen, red, black and blue. Okay, okay, so first of all I am telling you guys, I can read the book, I can write the English, and when I starting speaking I am hesitating. Okay, that's why you can see my video, I am speaking slowly so that the thoughts come in my mind and I can throw out. Okay, show you how I am reading the book. So currently I am reading How to Develop Self Confidence and Influence People by Public Speaking. Okay, so I am currently reading page number 18, but before that I am going to something show you guys. Okay, you can see here, you can see. Okay, i have marked I have marked multiple word, some words in blue and someone is red. What is the meaning of blue, how and why I mark some words in blue and some in red? Okay, so when, what the meaning I don't know, I mark blue, and what the phases I observe in this book I mark in the red. Okay, I have three colors of pen, you can see, black, blue and red. Okay, so I think you also keep with you this type of pen to categorize which one is word, which one is quote, you can see, which one is phrase and which one is items. Everything you have to categorize so that that will be very easy to understand, very easy to recall. Okay, so please don't uh, remember, try to remember every words. Okay, just type of words like what I am doing. I am doing like I have uh, a word disappear. Okay, I have a word disappear, but suppose I don't know the meaning of disappear, so I go to the chat gpt and chat ask chat gpt, please tell me the meaning of disappear, how to use disappear, when to use disappear, how public speaker use disappear, and what is the antonyms of disappear. So that's multiple things we have to collapse and ask from the chat gpt, and whatever chat gpt give the answer, we have to step by step read and try to use in the next sentence, and I am doing the same. So after reading 18 pages, okay, I have learned lot of new words. Okay, and I observe some words is not some words I don't know in English in the first page, second page, third page, but after 18 page reading, the same word going to repeat. So I am able to recall. Okay, even I don't remember, but able to recall, able to understand the sentence structure, able to understand the phrases, able to understand the words meaning. Okay, so this is the my way to learn, read the English. Okay, and after that I watched web series in English on the Netflix, and sometime I watch the news in English on the YouTube, and I practice in front of the mirror. Here is my mirror. I cannot show you. There is the wardrobe. Okay, and my mirror is around 5 foot. Okay, and I stood in front of mirror and try to speaking anything, so I feel I am improving. So guys, you can also improving, and I will share my every step what I am doing. Okay, I don't know how to improve English, but after reading I am able to understand we can improve as soon as possible. Okay, so focus is the understand the sentence structure, meanings, how they are used, not focus to complete all the page as soon as possible. Okay, if you read 20 page for 10 days, that is enough, but in 20 page you have to understand what is the pattern they are used. Okay, in different book they have used different pattern, but you start with the same type of book like fiction, like novels, like improve your English speaking, this type of book. So every book category has the uh, same type of sentence structure. Okay, so please start as soon as possible. So I hope guys you understand what I have said, and in coming 20 to 30 video I am sure I will speak very confidently in front of you. Okay, so this is my first long video in English, and I hope guys you understand, you subscribe, you like, and you comment also how you are practicing English. Okay, please comment so that I can learn from you and I can help myself. Okay, because English speaking, communication speaking is much more important nowadays to do the job. Okay, otherwise you cannot do anything right now except from the labor work. I am realized. Okay, so I hope guys you understand. Thank you for this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.